In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize and open an image in Photoshop. As you can see, I have Photoshop open. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to File. I'm going to select Open. And in my project folder, I'm going to select the file titled Bricks. Select Open. So right now the rulers are visible on my window. They have defaulted to open. In the case that yours are not visible, simply go to View and select Rulers to make sure that there's a check mark by clicking on it. Next thing that we're going to do, we're going to go to Image and we're going to select Image Size. In this dialog box, we're going to make some modifications. You've probably read about effective resolution, so we really need to consider, after scaling the resolution of the image, the changes that are going to be happening. Because this project is for commercial printing, typically you want a resolution of 300 pixels per inch, but right now this is at 72. So the first thing we're going to do to make that change, we're going to select the Resample box right here. And if it's already checked, just leave it alone. And then we're going to select where the resolution is, where it's 72, and we're going to put in 300. As you can see, there's a slight change right here. Next, depending if you have a Mac or a PC, on your keyboard, look for the Alt or the Option key and observe what happens to the cancel button. So if I push my Alt or Option key, it goes to reset. So right now, I'd like for you to click on that, reset, and it brings us back to our original dimensions. So what we're going to do now, we're going to leave the resample box unchecked, and we're going to still change the resolution to 300 and observe what happens to the width and the height. So now it becomes 9 by 12 inches. And we want to keep it at that. So once you have it, simply click OK. And you can notice it also on the ruler. And then we're going to go to File, Save As. We're going to rename this and title it Aftermath. And the file format that we want to keep it in right now is Photoshop, because there are limitations to other file formats, and since this is the first step in our project for Module 1, we want to be able to modify things still. And then simply click Save. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.